We're going to do a brief video on Roblox Stock news, and we've got a Roblox Corporation chart up here for you, a daily chart with three moving averages. We have a green 5-day, a red 20-day, and a blue 200-day moving average. Let's take a look at this stock real quick and see what's going on with it. We put in a high back in 2021 November of about 141. Came down, tested the 200-day moving average in early January 2022, and promptly entered into a bear market. You can see we had decent respect for the 20-day moving average, certainly did before and after it broke through the 200, and had a little bit of sideways action here, back down below the 20-day, and same thing here, sideways, back down to the 20-day, below the 20-day, and we put in a bottom here in May, around May 10th, at about $21.65. So at this point, we're too great of a distance away from the 200-day moving average. So the price is either going to come back up in this area or go across. And as you can see, it's gone across and it's slowly worked its way back up to a test of the 200, which it did right here on August 11th. This test, obviously, we didn't even really get to the line, but we got close, and that test failed. They pushed it back down and put in a low here on September 6th of about $35.65. Now, there's several things going on in this stock. The first thing is it's below the 200-day moving average. So this is still a bear market stock. We have prices now today up above the 5 and above the 20-day moving average, which is good. That was not the case last week. The stock today is down about 6%, down at about $3. Last I see on here, it's trading at $43.59. So this stock is trying to work its way back up and test this 200-day moving average to get above it and to get out of a bear market. To get out of this bear market, we got to close above the 200-day moving average, this blue. We have to get the 20 and the 5 under the price and get up around in this area, around this 68-ish area, to be firmly out of this bear market in this stock. I don't think that's out of the realm of possibility. I think you could definitely see that. I think if you're going to see it, you might see it here by the second week of October in the 68, 69 area. Again, in order to do that, we'd need closes above the 5, 20, and 200-day moving average, and the 5 and 20 would have to cross over and be above the 200-day moving average. And then if that happened here in the next, whatever that is, 3 weeks or so, 4 weeks or so, early, the first, say the 10th of October, we could be up to 68 bucks if that were the case. However, there's other things that could certainly happen here. We could come up to about this $50 level, say next week, and bounce back down again and come down here to 29. That's certainly another possibility. And it's really too early to say what's going to happen. It failed, the test failed here. It could certainly fail again at this $48, $49, $50 level again. And it might have already failed right here for all we know. So you just kind of have to take a look and realize this stock's trading sideways. It's been trading sideways since, all the way back in March. It's been oscillating around the $39 level roughly. I'm not saying it looks great, and I'm not saying it's oscillating a bunch of times, but that's about where the market says fair market has been. It's now trying to push that above. It made a slight new high here, so that's good. But we're still in a bear market. And again, early October, by the 10th of October, we could be up in this range, this 60, but we got to get the close above, and we've got to get the moving averages under the price to support. Close got to be above multiple, like a week at least, above the 200-day moving average. And we could, of course, get this decline down here to 29-ish if it goes the other way. All my opinion, all for entertainment purposes only. I checked earlier, RBAM Research does not cover this stock, but we do cover 190 stocks algorithmically. I just showed you the technical analysis. RBAM Research does algorithmic research and publishes the results every morning, Monday through Friday by 7 a.m. for 190 stocks, among other instruments. I'll show you how to get them for free in a minute. And today, these were for the 13th of September, which is today. We have 1, 5, and 20-day holding periods on this particular table, and they're buys only for stocks. You can see nothing for Apple today, but you scoot down here to Macy's, General Electric, American Airlines. There's all entry prices on here. The way this works is if you buy in the one-day column, and of course this is all entertainment purposes only. If your analysis says it's a good idea, your personal analysis, then you would buy roughly around there and hold until the end of trading, or just before the end of trading tomorrow, and close out a loss, or take your profits sooner if you got them. Same thing for the 5-day, same thing for the 20-day. Buy wherever your analysis says is a good idea and use our prices for entertainment purposes only. But if you were to buy, you would hold for 20 days, close out at a loss at the end of 20 days if you did not take your profits sooner. And again, you take your profits as soon as you can get them. That means today, tomorrow, whenever you get them. and you close out at the prescribed end of the holding periods. These are trading days, not calendar days. So again, we cover 190 stocks. You can get them all at rbamresearch.com. No credit card required, absolutely free. We cover 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC for cryptos, and the most liquid futures contracts. Every one of these instruments is long or short every day, Monday through Friday, with the exception of stocks, and right now they're longs only. There's a link in the description below. You just click that link, go to rbamresearch.com, sign up for free with no credit card. If you are totally and completely against technical analysis and you can't stand moving averages, please leave us a comment below and tell us that you feel that way and tell us why. If you love moving averages or you simply like them, tell us that too, and leave a comment in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you don't mind, please subscribe. It helps us on the algorithm for YouTube. And keep in mind, everything you've seen on here is for entertainment purposes only, including our entry prices and our commentary, seen or heard, I should say. And you have to do your own analysis. You can't use our commentary or entry prices for anything other than entertainment purposes only, and you definitely trade at your own risk.